I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do long division. The one thing you need to remember about division is you're taking a larger number and breaking it down into smaller groups. So in this instance we have 672 divided by 27. I like to use numbers that are easy to use. So I'll be using the numbers 10, 5, and 2 to find out how many groups of 27 are in 672. I start with the larger number, and what I'm going to do is multiply 27 times 10. I know that 27 times 1 is 27, so when you multiply it by 10 you just add a 0 and you get 270. So I'm taking 10 groups of 27 out of 672. So I have 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0, and I have 6 minus 2 is 4. Now the question I need to ask is, can I take another 10 groups of 27 out of 402? And the answer is yes. So I'm going to multiply 27 again by 10. Again, the answer will be 270. And again, we will subtract. So I have 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 7, I cannot do that, so I need to go over and borrow from the 4. Leaves me with 3. 0 turns into 10. 10 minus 7, I know, is 3. And that leaves me with 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now, I have 132 left. I know I can't multiply by 10 anymore, so I'm going to see if I can take 5 groups of 27 out. So I'm just going to double check that over there. It's okay to show your work. I know 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 5 down, carry the 3. I know 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 135. If you notice, 10 to 5, that's half. And so when you're multiplying 270, half of 270 is 135. So it's another way to think about it. Oops, just missed it. So now I'm going to go ahead and move down to 2. See how many groups of 27. So I know 7 times 2 is 4. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I know 27 times 2 is 54, and that will work. So I know I can take out 2 more groups of 27. That's 54. Again, we subtract. So 2 minus 4, I know I can't do that, so I need to go ahead and borrow from the tens. So that's 12 minus 4 is 8. I've got 2 minus 5. I can't do that, so borrow from the hundreds. That leaves me with nothing. Now I have 12 minus 5. I know is 7. So that leaves me with 78. So I know I can take out another 2 groups of 27. That's 54 again. And again we will subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, once this number is smaller than this number, you are done dividing. This number becomes your remainder. So I have a remainder of 24 now. Now we need to find out how many groups of 27 came out of 672. So I'm going to add all these numbers in this column up. So I have 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So I know the 24 groups of 27 with a remainder of 24 should be my answer. It's always good to double check, so let's go ahead and multiply. Okay, so 7 times 4 is 28. Put the 8 down. Carry the 2. We now multiply 4 times 20 is 80. 80 plus 2 is 108. Now I'm done multiplying by my 1s, and I have to go over to my 10s now. So I need to fill in a 0 as my placeholder. Even though this looks like 2 times 7, you're actually multiplying 20 times 7. So that's 14. Put the 4 down. Carry the 1 over. And remember, this is actually 20 times 20. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. We're going to add these two numbers together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now remember, we're not done. We still need to add our remainder, which is 24. So 8 plus 4 is 12. We put the 2 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then we have, bring down the 6. So our answer is correct. 672 divided by 27 is 24, remainder 24.